So hey friends, just a real quick thank you very much for everybody that responded so quickly to the 4th annual Lolapalooza. I was overwhelmed with emails. Literally, the wagon wheel sold out in about an hour and 15 minutes. So on one hand, that was really awesome. On the other hand, I felt really bad because a lot of people that wanted to get in the wagon wheel weren't able to. But it's all going to be okay. As long as you get a site in the park, we will all still be able to meet up and gather, and everybody in the park, it looks like, is going to be with Lolapalooza. So it's not like you won't be with others in our group no matter where you're camped. So if you haven't already gotten a reservation and you do want to come, please don't hesitate. Hop on over to the Texas State Park website and grab one of the few spots that they have left. This morning when I was looking, they still had about 8 sites with electric and water left. I think they have 1 yurt left and some screen shelters. So I'll put the link below to the info of how you can do that. So the way it turned out, about half of the people that reserved for the wagon wheel have attended a Lolapalooza or 2 or 3 before, and about half of the people have never attended at all. So I think that's awesome. We're going to get to meet lots of new people and make lots of new friends. So I really am looking forward to this. I also wanted to thank you guys so much for your generosity. I was blown away at how many people donated for the campership fund or for other expenses at Lolapalooza. I was really just amazed. So if you do want to come, but you have a problem paying for it, please just let me know, because we do have a good little campership fund set up, and we would really love to help you out. We don't want anybody to want to come and not be able to because of monetary reasons. So please stay tuned to my channel for further information on what's going to be happening. When it gets a little bit closer to the event, I will be announcing some more details. It's going to be really fun, you guys. I am really looking forward to it. Now all I have to do is get through this hot summer. So I tried to make this video last weekend when we were at Cedar Hill State Park, Vicki and I, but I had volume issues, so I am just redoing this little part now. But stay tuned for a little bike ride around Cedar Hill State Park, and we found some baby turkey vultures. Who knew baby buzzards could be so darn cute, but they really are. So anyway, thanks for everything, you guys. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Little baby buzzards. I wonder where Mama is. Probably. Or are they, I guess, turkey vultures?
Texas, turkey vultures.
Yep. They're so cute. Thank you.